Good morning. This is Dr. Ramesh. Now we are going to be explain electricity principle. Before we have to go for electricity principle, first of all, we have to go for one by one. Now, I have to explain current division rule. What is meant by current division rule? Suppose if you want to find out the current passing through any parallel branch, we have to use current division rule. Suppose I have to explain here how to apply current division rule in parallel branch. Now we'll consider in this circuit, two resistors are connected in parallel. First one is R1 and second one is R2. The current passing through the R1 is I1 and current passing the R2 branch is I2. And the total current of the supply is I total. Then if you want to find out the current passing through R1. So current passing through R1 means nothing but I1. So I1. So I1 is equal to, suppose if you want to find out the current passing through this one. So opposite resistance according to current division rule, opposite equivalent resistance. Here only one resistance is there, opposite of R1, that is called R2. So opposite equivalent resistance by opposite equivalent resistance plus same resistance into total current. Now I have to go for this one same thing for I1. If you want to find out I1 is equal to. So opposite resistance is what here? R2. R2 by opposite resistance plus same resistance. Opposite resistance is R2, same resistance is R1 into total current. Total current is what here? I total. And similarly, if you want to find out the current passing through R2 branch, so RI2 is equal to, here overall total current is equal to I total, and opposite resistance of R2 is equal to R1 by R1 plus R2. So this is for two simple branches. Suppose if the number of parallel branches is more than 2, then here opposite equivalent resistance means the combination of overall resistance of other than that resistance. So that is why you have to represent it as opposite equivalent resistance. Now we'll go for one example of this one. Suppose if you want to find out in the following figure, the ratio of current in 3 ohm and 1 ohm resistance is. So we will find out the current passing through 3 ohms resistor as well as 1 ohm resistance. But here the current passing to the 1 ohm resistance is given, that is 3 amperes. So the total current passing through this overall parallel branches is equal to I total is equal to 3 amperes. So I is equal to here 3 amperes. Now current passing through 3 ohm resistance. So 3 ohm resistance means we will find out current division rule is what? Opposite resistance by opposite resistance plus same resistance into total current. Now here opposite resistance is R2 by R1 plus R2 into I. So opposite resistance of 3 ohms is equal to 6 by same resistance is 3, opposite resistance is 6. So 3 plus 6 into total current. Total current is what? 3 amperes. So multiply this one, we'll get the 2 amperes. So we know that the current passing through 1 ohm is equal to 3 ohms. Then the current passing through 3 ohms is equal to, we'll obtain 2 amperes. So the ratio of 3 ohms current by 1 ohm current is equal to 2 amperes by 3 amperes. That is equal to 2 by 3. So this is a simple concept of current division rule.